I know y'all are probably looking at how big my lashes are, but that's okay because they're big and dramatic, like me.
Guess that's why my feet hurt. Wonder when they bite me. Truly, teeth hurt. Yes, I am an icon. That's me on your t-shirt.
What's up guys, ATL Milan here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. If you're not new, thank you so much for coming back and supporting me. I really do appreciate it. So today we are doing a KnowstyleUSA clothing haul. This is my third or fourth time trying to record this video, so we're gonna hope for the best. KnowStyle sent me about 7 or 8 items to actually rate for you guys. So I'm just gonna try them on, rate them on a scale of 1 to 10, show the material and everything, show them how it's nice. I'm actually gonna put in the description box below a link to every item that I'm showing you guys today, as well as a link to get these lashes because honey, they're popping. So I'm gonna try my very best to like get my full outfit in the camera for you guys. So the first item we're looking at is this shirt. It's a long sleeve v-neck shirt, and the detailing on the shirt is actually really cute. It's like gives you a little bit of cleavage. It's actually a really cute shirt. Definitely rate this a solid 8. Okay. Yes. This is actually a set, biker shorts, or you can wear just the crop top with, again, some leggings. And it's getting hot outside, so like I would definitely wear this summer. I would rate the whole thing probably 10 out of 10 because this is really cute. Oh my gosh, I'm ashy. Next we have this like ruffled red and white dress. You guys can see the print and the material. It's very nice. I'm feeling very Mary Poppins-y. If Mary Poppins has some titties. This dress is really cute. It just gives you a little bit of cleavage, so you do have to be mindful of that. It's actually really cute. Like these ruffles at the end are really cute. This next fit is a 2-piece set. This skirt stops right below my knees. I'm gonna try and show you guys. Okay, you still can't even really see it. This is the 2-piece set. It's a short sleeve crop top as well as a skirt. Very cute. Again, this is another kind of casual look. I could wear heels with this. I could wear sandals with this. You can dress it up, dress it down, however you like. I would probably give it a 7 out of 10. Only because it's a little basic, but it's still really cute. So this is probably my favorite item that I chose from KnowStyle. It's a dress, long sleeve. Look at the glitter. Like, KnowStyle didn't come to play. I would definitely wear this like to the club with my friends. I'm gonna stand up so that you guys can see, but the dress is actually pretty short. It has a little slit on the sides. It's actually really cute. So, but yeah, I'm just like really tripping over the material in this like glitter. From afar, it glistens. It's a royal blue. It just looks good. But definitely give it a 10 out of 10. I'm probably gonna wear this to my friend's birthday party next weekend. Okay, I can't wait to wear this. Staring at yourself, that's when you know you really like what you got on. Like, okay, I look like a bad bitch. For this last look, I actually decided to mix 2 items together. So we have first this romper, fitted black satin material, v-neck, cleavage showing type of fit going on here. This is really cute. I would probably wear this to the club as well, or going out with my friends. And these are actually shorts. So I'm gonna stand up so y'all can see. Okay, I really like this because it makes my body look fitted in all the right places. Would definitely rate this outfit a 10 out of 10 as well, because this is actually really cute. You just have to be mindful that it's like a lot of cleavage. But other than that, would definitely rate this a 10 out of 10. Definitely. So to go with the outfit, I'm putting on this jacket that I actually got from No Style as well. This jacket is so fierce, like it's so diva-ish. And it has like a belt to wrap around and tie your jacket with, which I thought was so cute because it's like you get to customize it to look how you want it to look. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see the bottom of the jacket. This is actually really, really cute. This is the belt, so you can tie it however you like. I would definitely wear this jacket with this outfit. I'm probably gonna wear this entire outfit when I go out next weekend, so if y'all see some flicks on the gram, make sure you double tap, okay? So yeah, you guys, that is it for the video today. If you guys like the video and want to see more clothing hauls like this, make sure you hit the thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. Stop what you're doing right now and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, to make sure that you see more videos that are going to be uploaded. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.